right, today we're doing shoulders. For warm-up weights, we have small 2.5 pound plates. You can use dumbbells as well. Mid-range, we have 5 pound plates. Again, you can use dumbbells. And then for heaviest, you're welcome to use either dumbbells or again, plates. I'm gonna use dumbbells. We're gonna start out by warming up. We're gonna do a 3-way motion. And so we'll start out by doing shoulder raises with our lightest plates. We're doing a total of 10 reps simply just to warm up. And out to the side, full extensions on the arms. Not too high. We don't want it into the trap. 4 more. And now upright rows. All right, you're warmed up. I'm going to ask you to increase your weight to your mid-range size. I like using plates. I put my thumbs in. It allows me to grip without hurting my forearms or burning them out. We're going to do the exact same motion again. This time we're going to do a total of 12 reps. 2. Simply change it up. We're still going to do 12 reps. This time we're going to start out by doing the frontal raise, and then we're going to twist the hand down. So up, turn palms in and down. Again, this time we're doing 12. Hands out. You should really be feeling it now. We're going to get a water break in just a minute. 6 more. Upright row. Notice the motion. I'm not doing this. Take a quick water break, stretch it out, and we're going to do the final round. Same size weights, 5 pounds. Plates in hand. We're going to do the exact same raises. We're going to do 15 this time. And we're going to mix it up. 5 more. Last one. Hold it. 1, 2, 3. Palms in. 1, 2, 3, and down. We're going to move to frontal because I'm going to show you something at the end. So again, frontals, 12, that's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, side view, 9, 10, 11, 12. Turn your palms up and we're gonna raise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. You should feel this. Last one. 12. Hold it. 1, 2, 3. Slowly come down. Take a quick water break. We're going to move into our heaviest weights. I'm going to use 10s. You should be good and warmed up at this point. We've introduced a variety of ranges for your shoulders. So let's go ahead and move into your heaviest, and you're going to do an upright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Bring it down, upright rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We're going to do a bent row. We want to pay attention to the back by holding in our abs, and we're simply going to row up. 1, hands in, 2, out 3, in 4, out 5, 6, 7, 8. We're doing 24. Grab a drink of water. All right, we're going to do one more set just like we did. So we're going to do upright rows. Notice the shoulders are not coming, the elbows are not coming down, and they're not extending overhead like this. We have 8 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Upright rows for 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bent over rows. We have 4 more. I apologize. 3, and that's 12. So bent rows, 24. So in, out, in, out. You're keeping the elbows close to the body. And 24. I'm going to have you drop down to your lightest weight. We're going to finish it off with a cap on the shoulder to build in the head of the delt. I'm picking up my 2.5 pounds for the lightest. To demonstrate, you're going to keep your arms out. Do the motion that you're familiar with already. We're going to do 30 reps like this. simply pulsing on the outer. Keep your abs in, your back upright. Ten more. You should really be feeling this. Don't take a break. I want you to turn your palms to the ground and 10 full range. 2, 3, keep it out of your traps, keep it out of your neck. That's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome. Thank you very much. Have a great day.